Hey everyone, and welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever wished you could just drop an entire book into an AI and ask it questions about the whole story? For today's AI models, that's a huge challenge because processing massive amounts of text is incredibly slow and expensive. But a new paper called Glyph explores a radical idea. What if, instead of feeding the AI words, we showed it pictures of the words? On the left of this diagram is the conventional method, feeding hundreds of thousands of text tokens directly into a language model. On the right is the proposed Glyph approach, which renders that same text into images, compressing it down to a fraction of the original token count. In this example, 240,000 text tokens become just 80,000 visual tokens. That's a 3x compression, achieved by turning text into a more compact, visual format for a vision language model to read. So how does the AI learn to read these images so effectively? The process involves three main stages. First, they train the model by showing it text rendered in all sorts of visual styles, like different fonts, layouts, and even in dark mode. This gets the model very proficient at recognizing text in image form, no matter how it looks. Next, in what might be the cleverest part of the process, they use another AI to figure out the absolute best way to render the text. This AI performs a genetic search to find the perfect font size, line height, and spacing to maximize compression while making sure the model can still understand everything. And the results of this unique approach are pretty impressive. These tables show that Glyph performs competitively with leading language models that process text directly, all while using significantly fewer input tokens. This isn't just an academic exercise, it has major real-world benefits. Looking at these speed-up graphs, the researchers found their method was around 4 times faster for processing information and about twice as fast for training. That means less waiting, lower energy consumption, and cheaper operational costs. The researchers even pushed this method to the extreme, testing a configuration with an 8x compression ratio. The results show this allowed a model to handle a text 8 times longer than it was designed for, effectively turning a 128,000 token model into a 1 million token model. This opens the door to processing incredibly large documents, like technical manuals or entire legal cases, in a single pass. So let's recap the key points. The Glyph framework converts long text into compact images to be read by a vision AI. This achieves a 3 to 4 times compression of the input, leading to massive speedups in both training and use, all while maintaining high accuracy. Most importantly, it scales incredibly well, allowing future models to potentially handle millions of tokens of context. This represents an entirely new way of thinking about scaling AI. Instead of just building bigger hardware, we can get smarter about how we present information to our models, making powerful AI more efficient and accessible for everyone. That's all for today on Summarize Science. What do you think about turning words into pictures for AI to read? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more summaries of the latest in science and tech. Thanks for watching.